Solving word problems. Dive into rate and work. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of rate and work problems. These types of problems can often be seen on the GMAT's quantitative reasoning section. But don't worry, with a clear strategy and a bit of practice, you'll master them in no time. Let's get started. Rate and work problems involve scenarios where a particular work is done at a certain rate. They can deal with anything from filling a tank with water to completing a project. Key concepts. Rate. It refers to the speed at which a task is done. Work. It signifies the total task or job. Time. It's the duration taken to complete a task. Remember, work equals rate times time. This formula will be your best friend throughout these problems. There are several typical situations that you may encounter. 1. Individual rates. How long does one person or machine take to complete a task alone? 2. Combined rates. If two or more entities, like persons or machines, work together, how long will they take? 3. Relative rates. If one entity works faster than the other, how much faster is it? For combined rates, the key is to add their individual rates to find the combined rate. This will help in determining how quickly they can complete a task together. 1. Always set up your equation. Remember the formula. Work equals rate times time. This will guide you in setting up the equation. 2. Units consistency. Make sure that your units for work, rate, and time are consistent. If the rate is in hours, ensure that the time is also in hours. 3. Draw a diagram. For some problems, a simple diagram can help visualize the problem better. This is especially true for problems involving filling up tanks or similar scenarios. 4. Practice with different scenarios. The best way to get comfortable with these problems is to practice. Try problems with different scenarios to gain confidence. Let's try solving a sample problem together. Alice can paint a house in 5 hours, while Bob can paint the same house in 3 hours. How long will it take if they paint together? Solution. Alice's rate equals 1 house, 5 hours equals 1/5. Bob's rate equals 1 house, 3 hours equals 1/3. Combined rate equals 1/5 plus 1/3 equals 8/15 houses per hour. Now, using work equals rate times time. 1 house equals 8/15 times time. Time equals 15/8 equals 1.875 hours, or 1 hour and 52.5 minutes. So, Alice and Bob together can paint the house in just under 2 hours. And there we have it. Rate and work problems may seem challenging at first, but with the right approach and consistent practice, you'll conquer them easily. Remember, understanding the basics and applying them systematically is the key. Happy studying and best of luck with your GMAT preparation.